Fairways to golf course facing villas here in the heart of Emaar South. So on my left here are Fairways 1, all facing the golf course. But check out something very, very unique. Over there are Fairways 2, ready in a year from now. I've just sold one. We'll have more available soon, and the prices are below in the description. But you know why these are so unique? Because they are ground plus first floor plus roof. And in fact, they didn't even have this type in the original brochure from Emaar at launch. But you'll see, I'm just going to pan in, you can see it's ground plus first floor plus a roof. This is a detached villa facing the golf course. These are going to be highly sought after right on the green there, and that is why I wanted to just do a video right now to show you how amazing these properties are going to be. At the moment, golf course facing villas anywhere in the center of the city are at least 12, 13, 14 million dirham. These ones are only in the 6 millions, under 7 million dirham. Imagine where they're going to go in the next couple of years. And what I love about this, why a lot of people are starting to look at Emaar South, is because this golf course isn't even open yet. So that is why I just wanted to show you how this is coming on here late November, where you've truly got a lack of golf course facing villas, certainly detached villas and on the golf course. And here is the green. Isn't it absolutely stunning? Now, this golf course isn't actually open yet. It will be open, I believe, by Q2 next year. And that is another reason why you want to be grabbing these now, because once that golf course opens and we have more and more people walking around playing golf every day and seeing the opportunities that there are, trust me, these villas are certainly not going to hang around for very long. So there you have it. Very short video just to show you ground plus first floor plus roof. They're also 1,000 square foot nearly bigger than the current golf links villas, which are ready and handed over. And I have one over there under 6 million dirham. Okay, so those are golf links. And then as you come over here, you've got Fairways 2 ready next year. So they're on a payment plan, really amazing prices under 7 million. And then you've got Fairways 1 here, which are right next to the clubhouse. There's the clubhouse, which is not open yet, but they're now working on it. They're going to extend it, and that is just really, really exciting for any of you that know anything about golf. You know that the proximity to the clubhouse, meaning obviously there's a licensed restaurant, sports bar, a shop, facilities, is quite exciting. And the Fairways 1 villas have their own little swimming pool amenities here, and then the Fairways 2 are just over the golf course there. And to get to Fairways 2, there's actually a connecting road. So if you can see where the cranes are, so there's going to be a road that connects at the end there across over to the villas. And in the far, far distance are the uber luxury golf course facing villas. And those, again, look at the description below, because these videos outdate so fast with prices, and I don't want to have on the video the wrong prices for you. But in the description below, and I'll date it, I'll tell you the prices if you wanted the uber luxury over there. But basically you can still get anything here for well under 10 million dirham and even under 6 million dirham right on the golf course. So if you don't need proximity to schools right now, if you're looking for a quieter, calmer, green area, an area of the future, Dubai is growing. We're going to have the world's largest airport just literally minutes away from here. The Palm Jebel Ali is also going crazy. They've now sold out of their beachfront mansions. The next launch, I'm told, will be at least 27 million dirham. There is just nothing else around this area. This is the direction the city's growing. Get in quick, because this is where you have time to be the pioneer and see some incredible price appreciations. I'm also personally looking at this area, and I've been here selling real estate for 13 years, so I feel like I do know the areas pretty well and where people are going to do best. So looking forward to dealing with you next. Even if you don't live in the country, we can do the whole transaction with power of attorneys. I've got my lawyers here, we've got bankers ready to go, so everything is literally very easy to do these days. Thank you so much for watching me. Take care on a Sunday here in Emaar South.